Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you Indian grocery store, and at the end of the video I will show you how much I spent in my grocery. And each and every item whatever we eat in India we can get in US as well. So today I will show you how is our Indian store in USA. So let's move into the video and see what all the grocery I did as I came after 10 months in USA. So this story is very good, and I'm going to and show you what all the item we can get it here. So today I came with my kids, and almost I came like after 10 months in USA. So my all of the stuff, dal and all, they all are finished. And here is ghee. So I took some ghee. Right now I just bought some vegetables for my house because I like some of the Indian vegetables, and some vegetables I can get it from here only, like guar ki phali and bhindi. We called okra here, bhindi. And this is the lychee juice. My kids love lychee juice, so we bought it from here. And my kids came here. I will not recommend anybody to bring your kids to Indian store because it's a corona time, but I don't have option that time. So, and I cannot leave them at home, so I took them with me. So we were keep on sanitizing our hand, after like 5 minutes or after 10 minutes I was having sanitizer in my pocket, and I was keep on doing it. So this is the fact. And this is the pickle section. So I am an Indian, so I like pickle very much. So we bought that one mango pickle. And this is a spice section, so I bought some of the spices here. So I'll show you which pickle is good. I like Ahmad mango pickle. That is very tasty. The taste is similar like Indian pickle, and my kids love Maggie, so I took one packet of Maggie. So we can get it only in Indian store. And this is a vermicelli. Vermicelli means jave. We called it jave in India. So I took roasted vermicelli to make the kheer and all item. So this roasted vermicelli is very good. It's similar like jave in India. And next I am going to take this Ahmad pickle, and this is a lime pickle. I will not take lime, but I want to recommend Ahmad mango pickle. So this is the frozen section for vegetable or for curry, ready to eat curry. So I don't want to buy any ready to eat curry because I want to give some fresh foods to my kids, so I'm not going on that section. And this is the namkeen section. Yes, I want to buy some namkeen. So I like Haldiram namkeen a lot, so I bought couple of Haldiram packet. And some namkeen they are having offer. They are having like good offer. So this is a Haldiram aisle. This aisle is full of namkeen only. You can buy whatever you like. So I think I bought that one bhel, the diet bhel. Diet bhel is good for your health, so I bought that one. And one more, if you want to buy like golgappa ready to eat, you can also buy it from here, from Patel brother. I will also highly recommend. This store is very good, means whatever you want to take you can just take it. It have like all of the store. Yeah, this because in namkeen it have a special offer nowadays. It's like 1.89 only, so you can buy this one. So I have to try. So I just take it, and I am taking now diet bhel for like a snack time in the evening. So we like rusk. This is a suji rusk, Samilona. So I took this one. This rusk is very much good. I like this one only. Even I went to India, I don't like rusk over there. So this rusk is very good. You can take during your tea time. Can eat like. Now I'm going in my pulses section. This is the main part of our food. Pulses, or you can say dal. We cannot live without dal, and if we don't have dal in America it's very tough because we are vegetarian and we don't eat that kind of non-veg kind of thing. So I'm looking something protein. So I'm seeing here this black eye chickpeas. We called it I think soya bean in India. In Hindi we called it soya bean. And I'm looking for chana, so that is healthy and I can make it in breakfast. And this is kavuli chana, we called it like chole in India, so I took this one. And next I'm going to take urad dal. Yeah, I like idli and dosa, so most of the time I used in that only, the urad dal. And what else? Yeah, and I took maida because I want to make dosa with chole, because I took chole. So I'm looking for maida. Yeah, this maida, swad maida, is also very good. You can buy this one also. I think I'm almost done. My cart is almost full and my kids are looking for the candy. They are looking some candy and they want to buy the candy. It's a candy time. After that they are having the kitchen section here. If you want to buy samosa or something ready to eat curry, you don't want to cook the food, you are feeling bored, so they have this facility also. You can get whatever you want. This side is like non-veg side, so these are the momos. Even momos are available in USA. You can buy momos. And this is again spice section. I forgot some spice for paneer. I will make paneer curry, so I'm looking one paneer masala here. And I took golgappe masala. Yes, I'll make golgappe, so I'm gonna buy golgappe masala as well. So as you saw, you can buy each and everything whatever you want. I'm done for the grocery today and we are going in billing line. Look, put your stuff there. Help me to keep the stuff there. So they have this shield for the protection. And my bill is coming over there. So guys, my total bill was $135. So I bought all of the stuff like dal and all whatever I needed. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. In my next video I will show you what all the other item I bought it from here, American store. Thanks.